New parents may be some of the most sleep-deprived people on the planet. If that's you, then pay close attention because I'm going to tell you about the Ferber method, a popular sleep training technique that teaches babies to self-soothe and fall asleep on their own. Sleep training may not be for every family, and according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, a good sleeper is a child who can get themselves back to sleep, not necessarily a child who sleeps through the night without waking. Consult your doctor if you have concerns about your child's sleep routine. After following a set bedtime routine, place your drowsy infant in their crib while they're still awake. Then leave the room. If they cry, wait 3 minutes before returning to the room to briefly comfort them. You could pat the baby's back or talk in a soothing voice, but it should not involve picking them up, feeding them, or turning on the light. Then leave the room again and extend the time period to 5 minutes in which you allow your child to cry. If necessary, come in again and briefly comfort them, and then leave while they're still awake, repeating this process but extending the wait time to 10 minutes until they fall asleep without you being in the room. On the second night, allow your baby to cry for 5 minutes initially, then 10 minutes, and then 12 minutes. On the third day, begin at 10 minutes, then 12 minutes, and then 15 minutes. After a few days of slowly increasing the waiting time, most babies will eventually learn to fall asleep on their own. The process should take a few days or a week. The window for beginning any type of sleep training method is between 4 to 6 months old. You can do it up to age 2, but the older your child is, the harder it may be. So here is the breakdown. On day 1, you'll wait 3 minutes, then extend to 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. On day 2, you'll start at 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, then 12 minutes. Then on day 3, you'll wait until 10 minutes, then 12 minutes, then 15 minutes. It's easy for parents and caregivers to feel some stress or guilt during this process, but the key to making the Ferber method work is consistency. If you are having difficulty, talk to your pediatrician. You owe it to yourself and your baby to have healthy sleep habits.